Want your car to shine like new? Meet the Pro-LifT 10-inch buffer polisher. First reason, professional grade results at home. This buffer spins at a blazing 3200 RPM. High-speed polishing means a flawless, glossy finish. No need for expensive detailing shops anymore. Second reason, save time with a large 10-inch buffer. Cover more surface area in every pass. Buff your hood, doors, and trunk in minutes. Spend less time working, more time admiring your car. Third reason, user-friendly double grip handle. Maximum control for smooth, even polishing. Easy to use for beginners and pros alike. No awkward slips or uneven pressure. Powerful 120V AC motor handles tough jobs. Consistent performance for all your detailing needs. Lightweight at just 5.5 lbs, easy to maneuver. Perfect for car owners, DIYers, and auto detailers. Restore shine to your paint, chrome, and trim. Get rid of swirl marks and oxidation and dullness. Enjoy a mirror-like finish every time. Double grip handle keeps you in control. No more hand fatigue during long detailing sessions. Plug in and get started. No complicated setup. Built for convenience and efficiency. 1-year manufacturer warranty for peace of mind. Try it risk-free with a 30-day guarantee. Transform your garage into a pro detailing studio. Impress friends and family with your car's shine. Easy enough for anyone to use. Professional results without professional prices. Buff, polish, and protect, all with one tool. Great for sedans, SUVs, trucks, and more. No more streaks or uneven finishes. Just plug in and polish. Simple as that. Designed for both beginners and experienced detailers. Get showroom shine right at home. Perfect for weekend DIY projects. Make your car the envy of the neighborhood. Why settle for less when you can shine? Upgrade your car care routine today. Don't let dull paint ruin your ride. Take control with the double grip handle. Buff large areas quickly and efficiently. Enjoy effortless, professional quality results. Powerful motor tackles even stubborn spots. Safe for all paint types and surfaces. Easy to store and transport. Make detailing fun and rewarding. Ready to see your car shine? Click the link and grab your Pro-LifT buffer polisher. Join thousands of satisfied car owners and DIYers. Don't wait. Your car deserves the best. Order now and start polishing like a pro. Transform your car with the Pro-LifT buffer polisher today. Shine on! Your car's new look is just a polish away.